Namaste everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss Muni Patanjali's Yoga Sutra 2.11. In this Yoga Sutra, Muni Patanjali is talking about one way in which we can reduce the thought waves of the Kleshas and how this can help us to conduct a very spiritually aligned practical life. So let's try to understand this sutra and then break it up word by word. The sutra itself goes, Dhyan hiyastada vrittayaha. So this is the sutra itself, 2.11. Now let's look at each of the words and start breaking it up even further. So the first word here is dhyan, which often refers to meditation or a type of meditation. Then we come to heyasta, and here it's trying to say that the reduction of the curbing of something that is not good. Okay, so the reduction or the curbing. And then we come to the next part, which is tada or that or of that. And then we come to vrittayaha. And vrittayaha, as we've studied even earlier, refers to the vritti or the thought wave. Alright, so now that we have this information, let's see what the sutra is trying to tell us overall. The sutra is saying that the functional modifications or the thought waves of the Kleshas can be reduced through the process of dhyan or meditation. Alright, so this is a big piece of information because in the previous video we were told that the Kleshas cannot be completely removed unless we undergo counter evolution, which is only possible in deep stages of Kaivalya by yogis who've been practicing for a long time and who are completely enmeshed in it. But now in this sutra, we're being told that there's still a way in which we can lead our lives practically and still have the least amount of impact of the Kleshas. And this method being given to us is that of dhyan or meditation. Now, we're being told quite specifically that this dhyan is pratyekatanata, which means that when you're meditating or you're sitting down to concentrate, there should be absolutely nothing else in your mind but that thing. And so because of that deep meditation and contemplation, the Kleshas will begin to fade away over time and actually reduce their intensity. And this is how, even if there are tiny thought waves coming up, they won't be impactful enough to disturb our daily state of affairs and to disturb our daily life. So this is a way in which Muni Patanjali is saying that we can, even if the Kleshas don't go away from the foundational level, they can still go away from the surface level and we're able to conduct our lives in a fruitful way. So personally, I think that this is a great method that we have been given because at least we know that through dhyan and through meditation, we can move towards a better direction. And through that, we can actually start improving the way we are and hopefully lead lives as more conscious and more awakened individuals. So this is what the sutra is trying to tell us and giving us meditation or dhyan as a solution. Now, if you're somebody who's looking to get into meditation and this sutra has inspired you, we have a playlist of 21 days of meditation that might help your journey and that might help you to actually live by this sutra. So definitely check out that playlist. It'll be in the description or on a card in the screen. Now, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have, please don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section below, give us a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel. We look forward to seeing you in the next video or in one of our future classes. If you'd like to sign up for that, the link is in the description. We're going to see you really soon, and until then, take care. Namaste.